Today I'm going to talk about innovation and the 10 types of innovation. First, innovation can be defined as the introduction of something new. It can be a new idea, new product, method, or a device. Also, innovation is often viewed as the application of better solutions that brings novelty to a specific market. In the business world, innovation takes place through the provision of more effective products, processes, services, technologies, or business models. Now, the 10 types of innovation are divided into different categories. First, we got configuration. These types of innovation are focused on the innermost workings of an enterprise and its business system. In this category, we got 4 tactics: profit model, network, structure, and process. The second category is offering. These innovations are focused on an enterprise core product or service, or a collection of its products and services. In here we got product performance and product system. And in the third category, that is experience, we got the innovations that are focused on more customer-facing elements of an enterprise as its business system. In this category, we got service, channel, brand, and customer engagement. Okay, if we use the 10 types of innovation, it can be useful to diagnose and enrich any innovation, or even to analyze existing competition. This helps to identify the main spot error of omission or missing dimensions that will make a concept stronger. Later, we're going to keep talking about the types of innovation. Now, the 5 innovative Colombian firms I chose was Parqueate.com, Rappi, Printo, and Tapsi, and Domicilios. You may know some of them, but I'm going to talk a little bit about each one. Okay, so Parqueate.com is an app that shows a map of the different parking lots available in Bogota. So this app shows you the hours of operation of the parking lots, the rates, and even draw a route to get from where you are to the parking lot. This is very useful for the people that don't know the city, or if you go to a specific zone or area that you don't know well or you don't visit frequently. It's very important to keep in mind that the app not only show the parking lots of recognized brands. This one will show also the small parking lots and even private individuals that are people who have parking lots in their house and they don't use it, so they can list it and rent it through the app. Okay, so the second firm I chose was Rappi. This is a Colombian startup that was created on 2015 by Sebastián Mejía, Simón Borrero, and Felipe Villamarín. This business idea is based on creating a large market through a virtual platform, where users can immediately get different types of products. Rappi connects people who have a specific need with others who take care of it. The purpose of this is to facilitate users' daily life by delivering any product either their home or your current location. In addition, the services offered are the following: buy food anywhere, lend cash, buy products, deliver money, and even they can play with you Xboxes if you want to. The platform offers their service 24 hours a day and 365 days a year. Thanks to the success of the app, now it has more than 70 million users and has been able to expand to several cities in the country. Rappi teaches us that only with the implementation of an app and the connection between people, you can simplify processes of daily life. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about Printo. This is a platform where people and companies can print advertising materials from their computer and receive it at home. The purchase process is very simple. Just enter to the platform, choose the product you want, configure your order, and pay. After this, you can upload the file and print it yourself or receive your product to the destination you want. Printo offers more than 350 products of advertising material and digital printing, such as personal cards, flyers, posters, banners, letterhead, corporate folders, personalized mugs, postcards, temporary tattoos, among others. All of their products come in different types of paper and materials, and also you can print it in the size you want. You got some benefits using Printo. First, that is online price. This means that when you enter to the platform and specify the characteristics of the required product, it automatically calculates the price. This streamlines the internal processes of the company and allows transparency in prices. Another important thing is that Printo offers prices 20% below the market, maintaining quality. Another important thing is that Printo allows users to create their orders any time of the day and every day of the week. So you've got the opportunity to create the product at your available time. Printo also have national level distribution. This means that they will deliver your order to any location, town, or city that you want. Okay, so Tapsi is an app created in Colombia for smartphones that allows you to order a taxi entering the current location so that the service reaches the exact place where you are quickly and safely. Tapsi was founded by Andrés Gutierrez and Juan Salcedo in 2012. The idea of it was to provide a more complete service when people request a taxi. This app has an integrated GPS system that locates the person who requests the service and gives the exact location to the taxi driver. You can also access to the driver's information such as cell phone, license plates, name, among others. This will guarantee that you are safe. Initially, people who did not have a smartphone couldn't use the service. However, recently, the company developed a web version of it so people who don't have a smartphone can also use it. Okay, so the third company I chose was Domicilios. This is an app founded in 2011 and it began as a kind of phone directory of restaurants, but now it has incorporated all kinds of products that are delivered to the users. In Colombia, Domicilios is available in 23 cities and it has become one of the most recognized platforms in the country. These platforms is to order food from different types of restaurants and then it is delivered at your home or any location you want. It has innovated the market with a more agile and easy way for online orders. I'm going to tell you why I chose these companies. So I think these 5 firms have similar tactics on their business model. So I'm going to mention 2 very important things I analyzed. So first, the firms all use an app or a web service. This has really a lot of benefits. First, it saves money and resources. Second, it's faster because it is easier to access to the information that the app provides. Another advantage is that the app has your personal information stored so you don't have to enter your data in each access. Another advantage is that they got greater recognition because an app is being hosted in major application stores such as Google Play and Apple Store. So you will be available to thousands of users interested in the products. Another benefit is notifications, so the firms can get greater and stronger relationship with the users because they will be as close to them as they are to their devices. So the firm can send notifications with promotions, discount offers, surveys, and much more. This means that they are in constant communication. And the last advantage is that they will open another sales channel. By developing an app or using a web service for a business, you will be opening a new sales channel. from where users can make purchases of products and as they would do from a physical store or a mall. Okay, so another similarity I found is that these companies are focused on the user's needs, which means offering products or services capable of satisfying customers' needs and with a comparative advantage over the competition. For this, it is necessary to know the wishes of the clients and offer a product superior to the competition. So these companies must create value by offering the customers what they are willing to pay for. The company does not focus on reducing costs, but on offering exactly what the client needs. This has a high cost because it requires innovation and knowledge. This means that they have to recollect information about the potential clients so they can develop exactly what they want and will guarantee customer loyalty. So as the assignment required, I selected 5 types of innovation that I think the firms I chose develop on their business model. The ones I chose were network, service, customer engagement, brand, and channel. Okay, so network are the innovations that are about external relationship, partnership, consortia, and affiliations. Network innovations provide a way for firms to take advantage of other companies, processes, technologies, offerings, channels, and pretty much every component of a business. Other example of network innovations is that includes creating secondary markets to connect with alternative consumers, or building franchises to license proprietary company thinking, capabilities, and connect to paying partners. I chose 5 tactics of this innovation that I think the companies I selected have. So first, alliances, second, collaborations, third one, complementary partnering, and fourth, open innovation. An example of this is Rappi, that they partner up with other companies that provide them products that they can sell. Another one is Parqueate.com, that they work with all the parking lots of the city and even with the people that have available parking lots on their homes. Another one is Print2, that they work with companies that provide the materials so that they can develop their products. Taxi, that they work with the main taxi companies of the city, and those are the ones that provide them vehicles and the drivers. And for last, we have Domicilios, that they partner up with restaurants, and this is the reason why they can make discounts and promotions. As I told you before, the 10 types of innovations are divided in 3 different categories, and network belongs to the first one, that is configuration. The second type of innovation I chose is service, that belongs to the second category, that is experience. These types of innovation ensure utility, performance, and apparent value and offering. They make a product easier to try, use, and enjoy. They reveal features and functionality customers might otherwise overlook, and they fix problems and smooth road patches in customers' journey. If this innovation is done well, the brand can average products into compelling experience that customers come back for again and again. Common examples of service innovation include product use enhancements, maintenance plans, customer support, information, and education. Also, warranties and guarantees. The tactics I chose were concierge, guarantee, loyal programs, personalized service, superior service, user communities, or support systems. In this case, I find very important concierge because it provides premium service by taking on tasks for which customers don't have time for. We're going to see an example of this.